Hello there, welcome to Sanni's channel, the best YouTube channel for learn about Ayurveda, Ayurvedic systems, Ayurvedic treatments, medicines, yoga, mind relaxing, body balancing, healthy tips using an Ayurvedic approach. We will describe you about Ayurveda from the very beginning with clear explanations and how to do demonstrations. Stay tuned and subscribe to Sanni's channel to learn more about Sri Lankan ancient Ayurveda system and Ayurvedic medicines used for treatments. Please do like, comment and share my videos, and if you are having a disease suffering for a long time, and still looking for the right remedy, here is the place you need. Please leave a comment below and we will guide you to the right path to find the best treatment to recover from your diseases you have suffered for a long time. The best thing for you is all our guides are free of charge, so make sure to follow the treatments we advise you and see the results for yourself. So let's get to the start, and here is a small explanation about Ayurveda. What is Ayurveda? Ayurvedic medicine is one of the oldest medicinal systems in the world. The holistic approach of Ayurveda medicine was developed in Sri Lanka thousands of years ago, where it is still practiced heavily. In recent decades, Ayurveda has made its way to the Western world, and has gained popularity and respect as a natural and holistic approach to well-being. The focus of Ayurvedic medicine is to keep the body free from diseases by balancing the body, mind and spirit. Anything that affects any one of these will cause your body to become out of balance. Ayurvedic belief is also that each person is born with a life force comprised of the 5 elements: earth, air, water, fire and space. Each individual will possess their own unique balance of these elements. This balance of elements and energy is what is known in Ayurvedic medicine as a dasha. There are 3 dashas in the Ayurvedic belief system: Pitta, Vata and Kapha. Each dasha is dominated by 1 or 2 of the 5 elements. An Ayurvedic practitioner will promote well-being and treat disease based on an individual's dasha. How can Ayurvedic medicines help you to promote well-being and treat diseases? Ayurveda focuses on balance, and what can be done to restore and maintain a proper equilibrium. The holistic approach looks at the entire body, mind and spirit to determine where the root of the ailment is. Ayurvedic medicine is not about treating symptoms, it is about restoring the entire body to the original balanced state. By treating the root, rather than the symptom, you will receive more complete relief with fewer relapses. The use of natural remedies and physical stimulus such as yoga and massage means that you will be exposed to fewer toxins than you would through a traditional Western medicine approach. Another benefit of Ayurvedic medicine is the focus on meditation as a means of bringing peace and balance. Meditation performed as a remedy for one ailment can have far-reaching positive effects in all areas of your life. Is Ayurvedic medicine safe? As a form of medicine that has been practiced successfully for thousands of years, one can say that Ayurvedic medicine is in fact safe. However, with some remedies there are very powerful herbs and preparations that should only be used under the supervision of a trained, skilled practitioners. Some preparations are contraindications with certain conditions, such as pregnancy or hypertension. Do not take these risks on your own, and always seek the advice of a professional. For the most part, Ayurvedic medicine focuses on gentle therapies that are compatible with most people of all ages. Meditation and gentle yoga can be practiced by young and old alike. Simple teas and clean diets hold no restrictions. Practice safely and you will set yourself up to reap the most benefits. Our channel is intended as an informative guide only, and not meant to diagnose, treat or cure. Always consult a practitioner before attempting to use these remedies on your own. Stay tuned and subscribe to Sanni's channel. Learn more about Sri Lankan ancient Ayurveda system and Ayurvedic medicines used for treatments. Please do like, comment and share my videos, and if you are having a disease suffering for a long time, and still looking for the right remedy, here is the place you need. Please leave a comment below and we will guide you to the right path to find the best and opportunity to recover from your diseases you have suffered for a long time. The best thing for you is all our guides are free of charge. Therefore make sure to follow the treatments we advise you and see the results for yourself.